Progress in our fast-paced digital age is dragged back by the looming threat of global warming and climate change. One solution we can bank on is switching from high-emission, import-based, fast-depleting fossil fuels like coal to clean and renewable energy. The Indian government is therefore committed to combat climate change with mainstream renewable like wind, a welcome change for future generations. Wind has been transforming the face of the earth long before humans even existed. Today, humans use wind for change. In India, wind power projects grew steadily after grid-connected turbines came in 1989. From those beginnings, wind is seen as a powerful alternate source to address power demand of the country. Today, India is the fourth largest wind power in the world, with 34 gigawatt installed capacity and a potential of 302 gigawatt. With major investments driven by the private sector, a whopping 60% capacity increase showed in just the last 4 years, reflected in the installed power of the 9 wind states in India. At 49%, wind already leads with the largest piece of the Indian renewable energy pie. By 2022, the government aims for 175 gigawatt renewable, with 60 gigawatt going to wind. Perhaps the time has come when the entire world and the country, like India, will be driven by renewable energy such as wind and solar. Wind manufacturers echo the Make in India mantra, powerfully combining 80% indigenization, cutting-edge technology, and R&D centers all over India. This has boosted the economy, creating 2 million jobs where they are needed most in rural India, possibly touching 5 million by 2042. Over 4,000 MSME wind component suppliers with world-class products and components have pushed exports to over $500 million per annum and a potential growth of over $2 billion. New technology and MNRE policy bolster manufacturers in building India's energy security. The low operating cost of wind makes it an affordable source of power for all. With zero pollution and zero water consumption for generation, wind energy is as clean as it gets. Nature's bounty has truly enabled a clean tomorrow where we can create power from thin air. We are a force of nature. Help us make our future cleaner, greener, and brighter.